And another voice from the Motilal Oswal house, Taher Badshah. He's Senior VP and Co-Head Equities, Motilal Oswal Asset Management, joins us right now on the show as well. Taher, so good having you. Thanks for joining in. Our morning conversation with Ramdev seemed to suggest that one, you guys are very bullish on the markets. Two, you guys are telling people to consistently put in money. And three, you have started looking at a lot of offbeat themes as well, aside of the regular great ROC, ROE companies too. I mean, I know you guys have a preference for one airline company, but Ramdev sounded as if he's bullish on the aviation space by and large too. So what is the latest new thing that you've done, Taher, within your funds? I mean, are there new interesting themes that you guys have started adding? Okay, Taher, just stay on. I'll have to go across to Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Today has decided to disinvest 15% of paid-up equity of National Building Construction Corporation out of the governments of India shareholding of 90%. इसको हम डिसइन्वेस्ट करेंगे, इसके पूरे प्रोसेस होंगे, इसमें हम कुछ शेयर डिस्काउंट पर 5% एम्प्लॉइज को भी देंगे एंड the government hopes that an estimated receipt of 1,706 crores is likely to come from this. 1,706 crores. But this is just the estimation. It may go up also. सरकार की अपेक्षा है कि लगभग 1,706 करोड़ रुपए की प्राप्ति होगी इस इन्वेस्टमेंट से। इसमें एक दूसरा फैसला हुआ है जिसके मुताबिक जो आईटीआई है उसके शेयर्स को ट्रांसफर करना है। इसमें मुताबिक रिक्विजिट नंबर ऑफ शेयर ऑफ आईटीआई को ट्रांसफर किया जाएगा स्पेशल नेशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड में। रिक्विजिट शेयर्स ऑफ द आईटीआई अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन shall be transferred to the National Special Investment Fund, which is known as SNIF. ये इसलिए होता है कि जब भारत सरकार की ओर से कैपिटल इन्फ्यूजन होता है, जिसका फैसला हमने लिया था, तो फिर आपको रिक्विजिट शेयर ट्रांसफर करना पड़ता है। तो उसी ये एसबीआई की गाइडलाइन है, तो सेबी की गाइडलाइन है, इसलिए हम इसको करने जा रहे हैं। स्पेशल नेशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड। मित्रों, हम आते हैं कैबिनेट के फैसले पर। कैबिनेट ने आज कुछ बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण फैसले लिए हैं, जिसमें पहला है कि लगभग 1 करोड़ लोगों को प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना के अंतर्गत स्किलिंग करनी है आने वाले 4 वर्षों के अंतर्गत 2016 से 2020 के बीच में। द कैबिनेट टुडे हैज टेकन ए वेरी हिस्टोरिक डिसीजन whereby 1 crore young people are going to be skilled in the coming 4 years at an estimated cost of 12,000 crores. The entire details of this program shall be given to you in this cabinet note. But what is important is कि इसमें 60 लाख नौजवानों को, नए नौजवानों को ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी और 40 लाख वो होंगे जिनके पास कोई नॉन फॉर्मल अनुभव है, ट्रेनिंग है। उनके नॉन फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग को और अधिक पॉलिश करना, प्रभावी करना। तो ये बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक एक निर्णय किया है, इसके विषय में आपको मुझे बताना था। मित्रों, दूसरा निर्णय है
pretty much announcing what was expected. So you're looking at a stake sale in NBCC to the tune of 15% of the paid up equity, and a 5% employee discount will be given out. Actually, 5% of that stake sale would be to employees at a discounted price. But Anand, come to you. I know you've spoken about this at length. Actually, Anand, just hold that thought. Neeraj has more comments on this.
No, so just one thing, Tanveer. If indeed they mean to garner 1,706 crores. I think he said that they look to garner 706 crores, could be more. But if indeed they look to garner 706 crores for a 15% stake, yeah, then that would mean that the resultant market cap at that point of time should be 11,400 crores. The current market cap is 14,000 crores. So if I don't know whether we read into it this way, that the government is willing to go down to a price which is, I think, another 10% or 12% lower or probably more from the current market price to do this divestment. I mean, the 5% employee discount is a separate thing.
Yeah.
But if they are willing to go down that price, then the price of NBCC could well be substantially lower than what it is. He, of course, mentioned that we might get more as well. And I don't know whether that will happen. But if they are giving out a figure of 1,700 crores for a 15% divestment, the market cap should be 11,300 crores, 11,400 crores. The current market cap is 14,000 crores. So there could be substantial downsides there.
Yeah, and dilution as well. Anand, you want to comment on that?
Well, I think, you've summed it up fairly well. There's not much more I can add.
Well, the stock is down 9%, but just to, just to take the point forward, do you think that at that price, with a 9 to 10% downtick, if there is a price adjustment of that nature, given the fundamentals, given the order book position, given the execution capability, that could be for a retail investor looking at the story? Because the stock, mind you, has run up almost 27-30% in the last 1 month. Is that an opportunity to buy?
Well, if it does fall another 15-20%, then you are getting it obviously at the same level it was, let's say, a month ago, which is far more attractive. But I think, the overall space is still quite expensive. If you're looking at a 2-3 year time frame, then certainly it is something that you may want to consider.
Taher, what do you do in scenarios like these? I mean, I'll come to the other question that I was asking, but what do you do in a scenario like these? Because you guys believe a lot in buying value irrespective of, where the price is. I mean, the price may fall, but if there is value, then you would buy it. Would PSUs, which have been attractive hitherto, available at a discount because of some stake sale action that is coming in, would you use such opportunities to buy into these PSUs?
So it all depends upon the individual company and its positioning, and be it whether it's in the PSU space or the private sector space. There are interesting companies who enjoy a good market share position and probably satisfy conditions of being good quality companies in their own respective line of business, irrespective of whether that business is a defensive or construed as a industrial or some such. So it is case to case, but in this case probably they have those ingredients. This company probably has, although we don't own this company, it's a matter of disclosure, but they seem to have the necessary characteristics which will probably lead to excitement around this name, probably even in the dilution. There has been run up in this stock as I understand, but that's been the case with most of the mid caps in the recent past, so that's not very surprising. And maybe if the outlook continues to be strong based on company fundamentals, then I would think that discount will only offer an opportunity for people who, if you like the business.
Just in addition to that, the asset sale in ITI has given